Our footprint is growing because we are growing as a company. IonQ has been expanding our overall global footprint. We are in 4 different locations right now. There's DC in College Park, there's Toronto, there's Basel, Switzerland, there's Seattle, Washington. Our Seattle site, for example, is driven by the need to drive and create the first fully dedicated quantum computing manufacturing facility. And so the overall site strategy evolves as we grow, as we increase and become more aggressive in our manufacturing timelines. Our DC site is a backbone of research and development as well as engineering. And so we have our systems that are doing our very first photonically interconnected systems. The first demonstrations of, ion photon entanglement were done in College Park. IonQ's overall site growth and our overall growth as a company is matching the growth that you see across the overall quantum economy. You have quantum economy springing up in Europe. Quantum Basel is an example of a partnership and relationship that we have that was founded on the premise that the innovation hub that the Quantum Basel team is trying to create associated with AI and quantum computing. IonQ is an anchor tenant in that quantum computing footprint.
So this journey begins with that first step with Forte Enterprise, where we are enabling these types of classical loop with embedded quantum computing workflows. As we push forward to Tempo, we're going to be really raising the stakes in that we'll be allowing for mid-circuit measurements that can be actively fed back with branching logic into a running quantum workload.
So one of the things that separates IonQ from others is the fact that we have been able to leverage the advances kind of at the early R&D phases to now be doing engineering on that and now transitioning all of that to manufacturing. Being able to have engineering processes that is driving the build and design of quantum computers for low rate production to be able to put those in the hands of customers. You don't see that everywhere. IonQ is the only one who is thinking about manufacturing. Products like Forte Enterprise are literally in manufacturing hands, being built. We have systems being built in Basel. We have systems being built here in Seattle. Those systems are at the final stage of an overall product development lifecycle. We have other systems that are kind of in the middle of the design activities. And then we have other systems that are in the very early formulation stages. And so IonQ is unique in our ability to be able to cover the entire product lifecycle with different product generations being worked on at any point in time. One of the fundamental things that we're trying to do is both pioneer and make history.